All right, the build is complete. Still a few little tiny things to go, but we're at a stage now where I want to test all the lighting and get it all working before I start the covering process. I want to cover the fuse next and then sheet all of the part of the fuse here with some really thin gauge aluminum so that it's ready for paint, and then I can start covering the rest of the flying surfaces. But quick little walk around. I still have to, my tubes are in order so that I can put tubes in each wing and get the wires running there. And I still need to, once I get all this sheeted with aluminum, I still need to do the end cap and then the cowl and stuff. Get the motor mounted, all that kind of stuff. But that's pretty minor now. So on the top wing, I got the ailerons hinged. I got everything sheeted. Where the main wing meets the center wing, I got this all nice and smooth here so that it all flows really nice. It's got a sand down to 600 grit, so ready for covering. Got some spackling compound on it. I don't know if you can see this properly, but you can see the 2 degrees of dihedral. The kit shows only one aileron servo with a connector bar that powers the top. I'm gonna go with 2 servos. So I got 1 servo here and I built another servo bay here. And on the bottom side, got my control horns in. Also got the struts made up and checked all the incidences and everything came out good. The struts are kind of scaled, kind of cool how you got a main strut that connects the wings, and then this strut here is on a threaded rod. And as you tighten or shorten that strut up, you can change the incidence of the top wing. And then this strut is on a threaded rod, and as you tighten it up, you can change the incidence on the bottom wing. So really cool, very adjustable. And it looks pretty scale the way that it looks like you've got 2 struts here connected with a little bar. So anyways, I think it's a really nice touch. And then I got this wing here, or sorry, this flying wire to hold the upper center section really nice and tight. I also got the cabanes sheeted with wood and sanded. And so these will all get painted, and then I'll blend in this control horn into the wood so that it all flows really nicely. So for lighting, I've got a beacon here. There's one on the bottom of the tail right around here. I've got the 2 spotlights on each lower wing, which once I finish, I'll put a nice clear lens over top, which should look pretty good. And then on the upper wings, I've got a wire running out, and these are gonna go in place. So this is the green one. So I'll plug it into there. And then I need a slot here. Once it's all covered, I made a slot. This will go in like this, and I made up a contoured kind of holder that comes out here and kind of blends this all in nicely into this light. What else? I've got a custom dash coming from Vogelsang for in here. A bunch of other goodies coming. Then I've got this door, which I changed the setup on it. It's reinforced with some carbon fiber, but I did up a magnetic system. Also been just kind of working away here at the wires, trying to get all the wires done. But that I can do once it's all finished and covered. So I'm now going to focus on getting some monocoat on it, start getting it to finish stage so that when the weather starts to get a little bit warmer, I can get into the painting. Super cool to have it to this stage.